Welcome. If you've ever been annoyed by those little red notification dots showing up on your Gmail app, especially for request to join notifications, you're not alone. These app icon badges can sometimes pile up and distract more than help. Luckily, turning them off is quick and straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to disable app icon badges, specifically for Gmail's request to join notifications. First, grab your phone and head into your settings. This is where you control most of your device's preferences, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the installed apps on your device. Next, look for Gmail in your app list and select it. This takes you to the app's specific settings page, where you can tweak permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Tap on Notifications to see all the different types of alerts that Gmail can send you. Inside Notifications, you'll find a section called Notification Categories, or something similar, depending on your phone model. This is where Gmail separates different types of notifications, like new emails, promotions, or the one we're focusing on, Request to Join. Tap on Request to Join to open the settings specifically for these notifications. Here's the key step. Look for the toggle labeled App Icon Badges or Allow Icon Badges. Simply switch this off. Doing so will stop Gmail from showing those little red dots on the app icon whenever you receive a request to join notification. And that's it. No more distracting badge notifications for Gmail requests to join groups or meetings, but you'll still get the actual notification inside the app or in your notification shade. This way, you stay informed without the clutter on your home screen. Remember, these settings work best on devices running the latest versions of Android or iOS, so make sure your phone is up to date. Now you can enjoy a cleaner home screen and focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching.